So hi guys, in this video we're going to learn that how to create an SQL script and take the output on the SQL plus console. So SQL script is generally useful when you have predefined steps. For example, if you want to uh, get the status of certain objects from the database, so you can use the SQL script. So if you have many lines of uh, SQL commands, in that case also you can use SQL script. So it will generally used to automate uh, SQL commands. Okay. So in that way you can use SQL script. So now let's see that how we will gonna use an SQL script. So for that we will create a simple script which is named as get for users.sql. So we just want to get first four users details. So that's why I have taken a name as get for users, and we will end this file using the .sql extension. So in this way we can create an SQL script. Name of the scripter, then SQL as an extension. Then we need to change the permission. So everyone could read, write, and execute this script. Okay. Now we need to mention the SQL commands inside this script. So let's set lines to 400. Again, let's call username, and format this column to A20. Then for account status, format this column as A20. Then mention your script. Mention your commands. Okay, so let's select username, then account status from DBA users views. Here we will mention a condition. We just want to get first of four users, so that's why we are taking row number less than or equal to 4. So we will get only details of the four users. Now exit and save this file. Okay, done. Let me show you the file content. So this is our file content. Okay. Now first of all, copy your PWD. Then copy the location where you had created your SQL script. Okay, so you have taken the absolute path of the SQL query, and we will going to copy this. Okay, copy this path, then log in inside the database. Okay, done. Now mention at symbol and then paste the absolute path. Okay, done. So in this way we can execute the SQL script. You need to mention at, then the absolute path of the SQL script. Okay, then hit enter. So we can get details. Okay, so you can see that we have mentioned four, only four rows should be printed, so that's why we are getting the details of the four users. Okay, so in this way we can see there is one more way. Add. Paste the path. Okay, then pass it to the SQL plus SSD and get the output in the output dot out. Okay, so we have just executed it. Right now we need to get the output. So you can see that we are getting the output in this version. So simply you can do echo, then inside double quote you need to mention the add symbol and file path, and then using the pipe symbol you can pass the command to SQL plus as sysdb, and then by using directional operator you can you can record that output inside output dot output file. Okay, so in this way you can also execute the script. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.